In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan from the menu in your tax return software. If you've started your return and realized you need more guidance or additional forms, upgrading is a quick way to unlock the tools that match your situation without starting over. First, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a menu labeled Switch Products. Go ahead and click that. This is the central spot where you can change the level of service you're using. After the menu opens, choose the option labeled Upgrade. This takes you to the Plan Selection screen, where you can review what each plan includes so you pick the one that fits your needs. You'll typically see two common options. Deluxe is designed for maximizing deductions and credits. If you're itemizing deductions, claiming education credits, or you just want more guidance to make sure you're not leaving money on the table, Deluxe is usually the right fit. Premium is built for investments and self-employed income. If you sold stocks or crypto, receive dividends, own rental property, or have freelancing or contractor income, Premium gives you the forms and step-by-step help for those scenarios. Once you've decided, look for the button that says Upgrade to, followed by the plan name you selected, such as Upgrade to Deluxe or Upgrade to Premium. Click that button to confirm your choice. You may see a brief summary of what's included and any pricing details, so you know exactly what you're getting. Your existing information stays intact during this process. You won't lose any of the work you've already done. After the upgrade is confirmed, continue your tax return right where you left off. The new plan features will be active immediately, so you'll notice expanded questions and sections tailored to your situation. For example, Deluxe can surface additional deduction opportunities, while Premium can walk you through investment sales, cost basis, 1099 forms, and self-employment expenses with clearer guidance. A quick tip as you proceed. Keep an eye on the on-screen explanations. They're there to help you understand why certain questions are being asked and how your answers affect your return. If something doesn't apply to you, you can simply move past it. The software will use your responses to include only what's relevant. That's it. By using the Switch Products menu, selecting Upgrade, choosing Deluxe or Premium based on your needs, and confirming with Upgrade to your selected plan, you can immediately continue your tax return with the right tools in place.